Something strange is happening in our solar system. Scientists can't stay calm anymore. A mysterious object, named 3I ATLAS, is racing through space, and what it's doing has experts completely baffled. Some say it's not behaving like any normal comet or asteroid we've ever seen before. Others fear it might be something far more advanced, something not from our solar system at all. The panic started when astronomers noticed that 3I Atlas wasn't following the path it was supposed to. It was changing direction slightly, as if it had some kind of control. Space objects simply don't do that unless there's something pushing them or someone guiding them. This discovery has sparked endless debates among scientists and space watchers across the world. When 3I ATLAS was first spotted, it seemed harmless, just another interstellar visitor, like the famous Oumuamua or Borisov. But as the data came in, everything changed. Its speed, its brightness, and even its rotation patterns didn't make sense. It was as if the object was hiding something beneath its cold, icy surface, something that's making even NASA experts whisper behind closed doors. Many people are calling it the strangest object ever seen in space. Its unusual motion suggests it's not just drifting, it's doing something. Some scientists say it might be powered by some unknown energy source. Others think it could be hollow, a shell hiding advanced technology inside. And here's where things get even creepier. 3I ATLAS is moving in a way that seems to respond to gravitational fields, but not in the usual way. It appears to slightly resist the pull of the sun, as if something is helping it stay on a specific path. That path might be taking it closer to Earth than anyone expected. Rumors are spreading that observatories have detected small energy pulses coming from the object. Weak signals, but repetitive, almost rhythmic. Could this be random cosmic noise? Or could 3I Atlas actually be sending something out? A message? A warning? No one can say for sure, but the scientific community is divided like never before. Some top astronomers are calling for calm, saying this is just another piece of space debris. But others, including some inside major space agencies, believe we're facing something completely new. Something that might challenge everything we know about the universe. And that's why they're panicking. Every new image of 3I Atlas only deepens the mystery. Its color keeps changing from green to blue, sometimes flashing a bright white. It's almost as if the object reacts to light from nearby stars. If this were a normal comet, its surface behavior would be predictable. But this seems intelligent. Even more shocking, its tail doesn't behave like a typical comet tail. Instead of trailing behind, it sometimes wraps around the object, forming strange spiral patterns. Some researchers think this could mean it's releasing gases in bursts, or even using those gases to control its direction. Could we be looking at a self-propelled object from another star system? As 3I ATLAS drifts closer to our inner solar system, scientists are racing against time to understand it. Telescopes around the world are locked on it day and night. Every new piece of data only adds more confusion. As if this object is rewriting the rules of space physics, and humanity is left wondering, what exactly is 3I Atlas, and why is it here? Some experts now believe that 3I Atlas could be part of a much larger phenomenon, a wave of interstellar visitors that have been entering our solar system, one after another. First Oumuamua, then Borisov, and now this. Could these objects be connected? Could they be part of a pattern we haven't yet understood? Some even suggest they might be probes, sent to observe us from the distant reaches of space. One scientist from the European Space Agency admitted anonymously that there is something about 3I Atlas that makes him uneasy. He said the object doesn't behave like a natural rock, its rotation seems too controlled, its energy readings too consistent. If this is true, then 3I Atlas might not just be visiting by chance, it might be watching. Astronomers have also noticed a strange dimming effect around the object, like a faint energy field. Some say it could be a magnetic bubble or plasma shield. Others whispered that it's something beyond our understanding, possibly a form of cloaking or protection mechanism. Whatever it is, no one has ever seen such behavior from a comet before. Then came the signal. A few weeks ago, radio telescopes in Chile and Hawaii picked up a faint repeating frequency that seemed to come from the direction of 3I Atlas. It was not a random pulse. It had structure, rhythm, and timing. Some claim it's interference. but others believe it could be the first real sign that this object is transmitting something. NASA, however, has gone silent on this. The agency quickly shut down discussions online, calling them misinterpretations of data. But that silence only made the internet explode. People started to ask, if it's nothing, then why hide it? Why the secrecy around an object that's supposedly just a rock from another system? Independent astronomers began tracking it themselves, and some claim they've seen flashes like coded blinks coming from its surface. A few even say the flashes occur at exact intervals, matching Earth's rotation. Coincidence? Maybe, but for many, it feels like a signal directed right at us. Meanwhile, scientists are noticing the sun reacting strangely whenever 3IATLAS gets closer. Solar flares seem to spike, magnetic fields shift slightly, and unusual cosmic rays have been recorded entering Earth's upper atmosphere. Could 3I Atlas be influencing our star? If so, it's not just an interstellar visitor, it might be a powerful entity affecting our own solar balance. And here's the most chilling theory. What if it's not alone? What if 3I Atlas is only the first of many? Some experts fear it could be a scout, moving ahead of something much bigger coming from deep space. A mothership, a fleet, or an entire system of unknown origin approaching silently through the void. The panic among scientists isn't just because of what 3I Atlas is doing, it's because they can explain it. Every new observation makes it look less like a natural object and more like something designed. It bends light strangely, emits weak but regular frequencies, and seems to react to energy around it. It's as if it knows we're watching. For now, the official story is that 3IATLAS is an interstellar comet. Nothing more. But behind the scenes, there's tension, doubt, and fear. Scientists are quietly questioning if we just witnessed the first undeniable proof that something or someone beyond our world is finally making contact. As 3I Atlas moves deeper into the solar system, strange reports are multiplying. Some amateur astronomers say their instruments suddenly lose signal when they try to observe it for too long. Cameras freeze, data becomes corrupted, and power fluctuations appear right when the object enters their telescope view. It's as if 3I Atlas doesn't want to be recorded, or maybe it's reacting to our technology in real time. Around the same time, scientists at several observatories noticed another bizarre thing: time delays. Light readings from 3IATLAS appear slightly delayed, as if something around it is bending space itself. If true, this would mean it's creating a tiny gravitational field strong enough to warp light, something a normal comet could never do. What kind of object has that kind of power? In the following days, global space agencies increased surveillance quietly. Satellites were reoriented, deep space antennas turned, and secret data sharing between countries began. Everyone wanted answers, but no one wanted the public to panic. Still, leaks started to spread, including a rumored internal NASA memo warning that 3I Atlas exhibits controlled propulsion characteristics. Controlled propulsion. That phrase alone sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Some experts now suggest that 3IATLAS could be a type of autonomous probe, a robotic explorer sent from another civilization long ago. If that's true, it might be scanning planets, collecting data, and possibly even searching for intelligent life. And guess who it just passed by? Even if it's not alien technology, its effects on our understanding of physics are undeniable. It challenges every model we have about interstellar travel. It shows that something can cross the endless distance between stars and still remain intact, and maybe even functional. If humans could unlock the same principles, we might one day reach the stars ourselves. But the fear remains because we don't know if 3I Atlas is harmless. It could simply pass by, or it could release something, a probe or a signal directed toward Earth. Some scientists even worry that it could interfere with satellites or Earth's magnetic field as it passes. Every day, the tension grows. As the object draws nearer, its visual signature keeps changing again. It now glows with a strange, pulsating light that seems almost biological, as if it's breathing. Some astronomers describe it as a heartbeat in space. If this is a natural phenomenon, it's the most unusual one ever seen. If it's artificial, we might be witnessing something alive. Across the internet, theories are exploding. Some people think it's an alien probe. Others say it's a warning sign. And a few even believe it's part of a cosmic event that happens once every few thousand years. But regardless of what people believe, one thing is clear. 3I Atlas has captured the attention of the entire planet. Governments are watching. Scientists are silent, and the rest of the world is waiting, wondering if this mysterious object is about to reveal something that changes human history forever. Whatever 3I Atlas is, it's not just another rock passing through space. It's a message, a mystery, and maybe a moment that marks the beginning of a new chapter for all of humanity. So the question remains, what will happen when 3I Atlas finally reaches its closest point to the sun? Will it vanish like all others? Or will it show us something the world has never seen before? The answer is coming soon, and scientists are bracing for the moment that could rewrite everything we know about life beyond.